welcome back to Craft Time with Miss Choate. Hopefully you guys already watched Miss Nucha's video rhyme time for the letter B. And today what we're going to be doing for the letter B in Craft Time is we're going to be making a bunny out of a egg carton container. Now you only need one of those little sections, like where one egg goes. So even if you don't have one in the recycling, but maybe your carton's kind of half empty, you can go ahead and cut one of those bad boys off and use it in this craft. Just let you know for the future, I collect a little bit of recycling, not a lot. I have one box of recycling, and that way you can make a lot of cool crafts out of simple things you have around your house. So go grab one little part of your egg carton and some markers or paint, whatever you have around to color in that egg carton. I do prefer the ones that are cardboard. Plastic ones you're probably going to have to paint, or the styrofoam, you're probably going to have to paint those. The ones I have are cardboard, so I can use a marker on top of it. So let's go get our supplies and make a bunny. So as you can see, I just went ahead and cut off half of my container. But we won't need this many. I figured give myself a little bit extra if I want to make a bunny family. I only had one egg left in my carton, so I could spare these 6 spots. And you can see mine are different shape, like these are the round ones and they change. So I want to use one of these rounder shapes for my bunny face. So the first thing I'm going to do carefully is I'm going to cut out one of my cartons, one little section. This is going to be the head and this like snout coming at me part of my bunny, and I'm going to cut away the extra bits, and I want to make it a little bit more round, so I'm making these corners a little round. There we go. So I went ahead and picked a colorful background paper. You can use a white paper to put your head onto, or any paper you have around. I'm going to cut my ears out of the flat part here. Some of your containers might have a section you could have left behind. Mine didn't, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2 long ears. And I'm going to put it on this side. I'm actually going to make sure that they're the same by tracing it when I'm cutting it out, or ish. It doesn't have to be perfect. I always use that word ish in class because it's okay if they don't come out perfect. We can always edit them, recut them out. So now I could put them side by side and fix them up a little bit. There we go. Now I have my 2 bunny ears. And I decided that I don't mind my bunny being pink. I'm just going to add my face on. So if you're like me and you have a foam container, it's very hard to paint. You could use acrylic on it, or you could just use a Sharpie. You could color it with a Sharpie, or we could just add our facial features with a Sharpie. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be adding on the very front here where this circle is, I'm going to be adding our nose, which will be a little triangle, the line coming down from the nose, and then the curve of the mouth. So I'm liking how that is coming out. Now we're going to put our eyes at the top, and those are going to be ovals. Try to put them evenly spaced. Try your best to make them the same. Our eyes, we can give ourselves little eyebrows, maybe some little eyelashes. Now that our face is done, we can go ahead and attach our ears and our face to our card. I made mine into a card by folding it in half. You don't have to, it could just be on a piece of cardstock or a piece of cardboard. And we're going to add some little details onto our ears, that little inside part. Maybe they have some hair in their ear. And now we'll be gluing that on, and I'm also going to be adding a little shirt to our bunny. So we're going to grab our glue. I'm going to put some glue onto this part first, putting that in the center of my page, pressing firmly, and then putting glue on my ear, lining it up. Putting it on the other side, pressing firmly, and now let's add our colorful or fun little shirt. Now you could do this by maybe collaging on a piece of patterned paper, or we can just draw one on, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have it come off of, oops, I might have to re-glue that. So I'm just going to draw a very simple, maybe kind of like a triangle or a rectangle. So sloping lines, the neck going to the shoulders, and 2 straight lines down. Now we can go ahead and decorate or color in our shirt or make some fun lines. Maybe, what color shirt do you want your bunny to be wearing? Just going to put some dots. He's wearing a polka dot shirt. And there we go. We have our cute bunny out of an egg carton. I hope you had fun making your bunny craft today. Hopefully yours turned out really cute and you can maybe hop along. And if you had fun, remember, join us next Tuesday for rhyme time with the letter C and a C craft. Maybe drop a comment below to let me know what C, maybe an animal, maybe a cat, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you want me to focus on for the letter C. All right, hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.